Accidentally deleted photos from your iPhone? Don't worry, recovering them is easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted photos from the Photos album. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Recover from recently deleted folder. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll down to bottom of the screen. Tap Recently Deleted. Enter your password. Select the photos you want to recover. Tap Recover. Tap Recover Photos. Solution 2. Restore from iCloud backup. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top Apple ID section. Select iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. Then Backups. Check if you have a recent backup that includes the deleted photos. If you do, you'll need to erase your iPhone to restore it from that backup. To do this, go back to Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase All Content and Settings and follow the prompts. After your iPhone restarts, set it up and choose Restore from iCloud Backup during the setup process. That's it. You've now learned how to recover your deleted photos on your iPhone. If you run into any problems or need more help, don't hesitate to reach out.